Now the classification. The waste material are classified into two category. One is biodegradable waste and another is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste, this type of waste is easily degraded by microbes. It mainly include kitchen waste, spoiled food, fruits, vegetables, ash, soil, dung, parts of plants, etc. This waste is mainly of organic type and is also called wet solid waste or wet garbage. If it is carefully decomposed, we can get compost and fuel of good quality from it. Such biofuel projects have been started in many cities. Now another one is non-biodegradable waste. This type of waste is not easily degraded because it requires a very long period of time and the use of various techniques. It includes plastic, metal and other similar materials. This type of waste is also called dry waste, solid waste or dry garbage. Harmful effects of solid waste are effect on biodiversity, bad odor of waste, production of toxic gases, degradation of natural beauty, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, spreading of diseases. Now why it is necessary to manage waste? Necessity of solid waste management for preventing environmental pollution and to keep the surrounding clean, for energy as well as fertilizers production and through that to generate work and employment opportunities, to reduce the strain on natural resources through treatment of solid waste, to improve the health and quality of life and to maintain environmental balance. Solid waste management include separation and categorization of waste, composting, safe landfill sites, vermicomposting, industrial solid waste management, pyrolysis, that means energy production by burning of waste at high temperature. For example, biogas, bioelectricity, biomedical waste management, incineration. Now, principles of solid waste management. There are 7 principles of solid waste management: reuse, refuse, recycle, rethink, reduce, research, regulation, and public awareness. Reuse, after use materials should be reused for some other proper purpose. Refuse, refusal to use article made from non-degradable article like plastic and thermocol. Recycle, production of useful article by recycling solid waste, for example, paper and glass can be recycled. Rethink, rethink our habits, activities and their consequences in connection with the use of various articles of daily use. Reduce, restriction the use of resources to avoid their wastage. All material should be reused. One thing should be shared by many. Use and throw type of objects should be avoided. Research, conducting research related to reuse of material that are temporarily out of use. Regulation and public awareness, following the law and rules related to waste management and motivating others to do the same. Do you know America is the largest producer of electricity from solid waste? Japan has developed the project of production of threads, paper and other useful material from banana peelings. Now we will see period required for degradation of waste. Waste material, banana peeling. Period of natural degradation 3 to 4 weeks. Cloth bags 1 month. Rags 5 months. Woolen socks 1 year. Wood 10 to 15 years. Leather shoes 40 to 50 years. Tin can 50 to 100 years. Can you imagine? Aluminium cans 200 to 250 years. Certain plastic bags 10 lakh years. Thermocol infinite duration. The last topic is disaster management. Various natural disasters like lightning, flood, fire and man-made disaster like accident, bomb explosion chemical accident in industry, stampede in mass gathering, riots, etc. occur around us from time to time. They cause large scale damage to life and property. Basic principle of first aid. First is airway. If the victim has difficulty breathing, the head should be held in a backward sloping position or the chin should be raised so that the respiratory passage remain open. Second is breathing. If breathing has stopped, the victim should be given artificial ventilation by mouth to mouth. Then third is circulation. If the victim is unconscious, then after giving mouth to mouth respiration, twice the heart should be pressed down hard by pressing the chest with both the palm. These two actions should be repeated alternatively about 15 times. This is called cardiopulmonary resuscitation, that is CPR. It helps to bring the circulation back to normal. For injuries like sprains, twisting, and contusion, the right remedy should be applied. That means R for rest, I for ice, C for compression, and E for elevate. Rest, allow the victim to sit in a relaxed position. Ice, apply an ice pack to the injurious part. Compression, after the ice pack treatment, the injured part should be massaged gently. Elevate, the injured part should be kept in a raised elevated position. Other emergency measures. Boats are used by civil administrations to rescue people trapped in a flooded area. As an emergency measure, wooden boat Bombay floats, air-filled rubber tube from a tire can be used to advantage.